Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will learn about digraphs. Did you know digraph means two letters that make one sound? Look, say and read words with digraph. Ch, air, chair, chain, chips, chalk, chick. Look, say and read words with digraph. Eat, sheep, ooze, shoes, ship, soap, shirt. I hope you guys love meeting with digraphs. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.